My name is Divya and I've completed my computer science graduation in the year of 2023. I came to JSpiders since one of my senior recommended me to join here because I've been aspiring of becoming a website developer. And after coming here, I've learned SQL which was taught by Pallavi ma'am, and web technologies by Nimrat sir, and Java by Vivek sir. After learning all these coding languages, I've built some projects on using all these languages, and after completing my programming languages, then I started giving interviews. And when firstly I went on the interviews with a company with the name of a company called as Arcanon. From there, I've got selected with a 3 LPA package, and I have to thank each and every faculty over here for supporting me throughout my journey, and also the HRs for giving me this opportunity.